Today we're doing a set of precision exercises just to improve people's technique. If you look over here, we're doing an exercise called the circle, where they have to continue in a circle while zoomed in tightly on this little target. And while they're doing the rounds, they also have to switch the directions which they're walking and yet keep the camera moving at the same velocity. Next, over there against the wall, is what we call the guitar hero. It's the stage pass-by. It's learning to work at live events, to be inconspicuous and pass by a stage.
This exercise is actually, we call it the guitar hero, and they have to follow the guitar hero, which is smashed on the wall over there. And we walk around him, like start on one side, keep him in the right frame, and then go to the other side. It's a lovely exercise, you can do it anywhere, and will be very useful.
Over here we have the boxes moving around clockwise, and the boxes are set up so that you can learn to operate the Steadicam and keep it at the same level despite the ground that you're traveling over. So as they're walking over the boxes, they're supposed to keep the Steadicam at the same level. That wasn't the best example, but presumably we're working on it. And then over here we have an exercise called array, where if you look to your left, you'll see a box with a target in it.
You see the two crosses here? They have to be this and this and this and this in one spot. And it's quite complicated because you have to walk very carefully on a line. But it's a good exercise because you look into how you are moving your body. And you have to be careful with all the movements. You have to walk on a line, and it's not easy, especially when you got the weight on. But it's possible, more or less. It's still possible. It is a good exercise.
And then, right beside you is an exercise called the squares. And the Steadicam is zoomed in on a target, and the post has to be traveling along any one of these lines on the squares on the floor, while maintaining focus on the target. When they get good at that, they have to work in a switch. And when they get even better at it, they have to do exactly the same thing in the small square in the middle. And here below us, everyone is working on tips and tricks exercises.
Sono meravigliosi come ogni volta sono entusiasti, perché questo è un lavoro che entusiasma, che incuriosisce, è forse il più bel lavoro del mondo, è la Steadicam. Quindi questi ragazzi pagano per essere qua, ma sono fortunati perché si fanno questa settimana un po' porno di tecnologia e di movimento macchina, e spero che siano felici alla fine di tutto.